came back because I wanted to show you how to not give up on images like this. You might think, oh geez, you know, but just watch this. This is what always blows me away. Watch. Look at that, how much detail you get back to 13, which is the default, right? Look at that, how much more colouring area I get, which I'm sure this is all by design. And you can see the more I go, the more details it's going to give me. Ironically, I'm not in the details slider, it's the brightness. All right, so I'm going to keep on going now that I just saw something there I don't like. Take that down a bit. So let's get the details down as well and see what happens. Voila! Download. Good to go. Put it in the folder. Boom. I've got another 5 or 6 to go, but I just wanted to show you. Don't give up. Again, 13. Look at that. Look at how it makes the archways come up. Let's try it all the way up. She's losing part of her face. Go back. Again, like Katharyne said, pay attention to the eyes and hands. Take some of the details down a bit. I will go in there and edit out some of these swirlies and extend her mouth maybe. Let me just put that brightness down a bit. So again, I'm going to go in now in Katharyne's tool. And what was so neat in Katharyne's video was I only ever saw her doing the white, right? Let's get rid of that. And then I also noticed the black button and I thought, well, I don't know what that's, you know, so what? Well, let's say I wanted to add some feelers or whatever to whatever that is. And I go to the eraser tool, then you'd pick the black and then you can just draw in whatever, you know, save the changes. You see, I didn't realise you could actually draw and erase. So I'm going to go back to the white now and just take out those. That's too small. And another tip is to just click with the mouse. Don't try moving it, because you will slip and you will mess up. Right, so I'm going to go through all this and not bore you to death doing this. But again, this is what I said in the video. I find this very relaxing. Trust me, I need to learn how to relax. Of course, having 50,000 cups of coffee a day doesn't help. Let's see what that looks like. You see we're getting there. I'm going to tidy all that up, but over and out for now. Okay, this is just a demonstration to show you. Don't be afraid to get that brightness up there. Brings a lot of the details in, even though we do have a detail slider. All right, bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.